Hello, this is Edward from Direct Fabrics. Today we're going to talk about eyelet curtains and how you can quickly measure and the choices you have with this product. This is a 28mm pole with 2 brackets because it's only a short span. You can go with 2 brackets up to a 2 metre span. Obviously if you're going with really heavy curtains you can put a central bracket in. If you join in to go over say a 4 metre span, which would be the whole of this wall, you could use a joining splice on the pole and then have 3 brackets across it. The brackets that we use with our system is a heavy gauge contract bracket. We would always recommend doing this. The cheap ones from other stores, do not buy them. They're a low price for a reason. This is a contract product and will comfortably do 20 kilos. Obviously make sure your fixing's right, that's a lot of weight. So these eyelets, you thread them onto the pole, alternating all the way through, and that's how you get your stack. It's a 44mm eyelet, so that will either do the 28mm pole or something a bit thicker, which is the 35mm if you want a bigger finish. With eyelets for measuring, I always recommend fitting your pole first, and that just gives you a little bit of tolerance. So in this example, you would measure, come over here Charles, you've got your first bracket. I would hook onto your bracket and measure to your desired drop. In this example, we've gone just below the windowsill because our desks are normally sat here. And then we add on the upstand. So on our website, it'll ask you to enter curtain drop. From the curtain drop, you're coming down from the top where the eyelet's sitting, as you can see here, and we're going to our desired length. If you're going floor length, you would go from your hook on point all the way to the floor, less 1 centimetre, and that would allow it just to gracefully flow above. If you have any questions about measuring the product, the poles, anything at all, please get in touch. The team are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.